If your AC is freezing up with ice on the coils or water dripping inside, then don't panic. This is a common AC problem, and most of the time you can fix it yourself. First, turn off the AC and breaker. A dirty air filter can block airflow and cause freezing, so check and replace it if needed. Make sure supply and return vents are open and clear. Let all ice melt before turning the AC back on, and place towels under the unit to catch water. If the AC freezes again, low refrigerant may be the cause. This requires a licensed HVAC technician. A C freezing up is usually caused by dirty filters, blocked vents, or low refrigerant. Start with airflow fixes and call a professional if it persists.